There you go, easy now.
He likes you.
Lift it up now. Steady, steady.
Ensure the roots are full covered like this. It helps them find the water.
And what if the soil is too dry?
Then we add the mulch first.
That will be 25. Thank you very much.
Train is housed.
It smells wonderful.
Now, if you step inside, notice the detail on the sustainable leather.
If we adjust the timing here, we should get more torque.
Agreed, but watch the voltage regulator on the auxiliary circuit.
The new wing of the hospital looks almost finished.
It's good for the community.
Are you heading to work now?
This is
Okay,
where
bring
the
it down
advanced
5 more
electric
meters.
powertrain is housed.
Copy that. Watching the
Now, if you
tension
step
now.
inside, notice the detail on the sustainable leather. This is where the advanced electric powertrain is housed. Now, if you step inside, notice the detail on the sustainable leather.
Look at that precision. The arm is fully stabilized.
All green on the diagnostics. We finally achieved full articulation.
Crane 3, lift on my marks.
Copy that, lifting now.
They're cleared for the flyby over the main runway. Watch the timing on the tablet.
Got it. The helicopters are holding steady.
This is where the
Look
advanced
at the
electric
designs for
powertrain
the
is
new
housed.
garden area.
Now, if you step
wow,
inside,
that looks incredible.
notice the detail
We should
on the
finalize
sustainable
this
leather.
today.
This is where the advanced electric powertrain is housed.
How does it reach the
Now,
leaves
if you
up
step
there?
inside,
It uses its
notice the
very
detail
long
on the
tongue.
sustainable leather. This is where the advanced electric powertrain is housed. Now, if you step inside, notice the detail on the sustainable leather.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition sequence start.
have liftoff.
Go, 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 go!